Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best 1N4001 diode is probably one of the most unsung heroes in the world of electronics. This tiny component, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in protecting circuits and ensuring the smooth flow of electricity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the 1N4001 diode, exploring its function, specifications, and why it's a must-have for any electronics enthusiast or hobbyist. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this essential component and discover how it can enhance your projects. Number 5. ALLECIN Diodes Assortment Kit. Introducing the ALLECIN Diodes Assortment Kit. This kit contains a variety of rectifier, fast recovery, Schottky, and switching diodes, offering reliable quality and stable performance. The kit includes popular models such as 1N4001, 1N4148, 1N5408, and many more. They are designed to provide circuit protection and ensure the smooth operation of your electronics. These diodes offer stable performance and strong corrosion resistance. They also have good high-temperature resistance, ensuring they can withstand various operating conditions. The kit comes in humanized packaging, making it easy to store and use. It's a convenient solution for all your diode needs. Before purchasing, please confirm the model, amp, and volt specifications. This ensures that it is the right component for your project. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive selection of diodes, covering various current and voltage ratings. It ensures stable performance and is designed for easy storage and use. If you're working on diverse projects or need a versatile collection, you should consider this kit. What people say. Was able to test a few and use the correct one. They work like diodes. Great price for a good selection of accurate diodes. Did what it is supposed to. Number 4. BOJACK 1N4001 Diode 1A50V, pack of 125. Introducing the BOJACK 1N4001 diode. This is a pack of 125 diodes, perfect for your electronic projects. It's a reliable component for various applications. This diode can handle a forward rectified current of 1 amp and a maximum recurrent peak reverse voltage of 50 volts. It's designed to efficiently manage electrical current in your circuits. The diode boasts low forward voltage, high current capability, and low leakage current. It also has high surge capability, ensuring its durability and performance. The case is made of molded plastic, recognized for flame retardancy. It features axial leads, which are solderable, making it easy to integrate into your circuits. The color band on the diode indicates the cathode. This helps you correctly orient the component within your circuit, ensuring proper functionality. What we like. This product features low forward voltage and high current capability, ensuring efficient performance. The flame retardant epoxy case adds an extra layer of safety. If you are looking for a reliable and safe diode for your projects, this is a great choice. What people say. These diodes were needed to block DC voltage from signaling wiring for a nurse call system. Perfect component, no issues found when installed, work as intended. Good quality and they operate as expected. These diodes let make the boat switches war as they should. Number 3. BOJACK 240 PCS Diode Assortment Kit. This is the BOJACK Diode Assortment Kit. It contains 240 pieces of diodes with 14 different values. It's a great choice for various electronic projects. The kit includes rectifier, fast recovery, Schottky, and switching diodes. They come in different current and voltage ratings. This variety makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. The kit includes diodes like 1N4001, 1N4007, 1N5819, and many more. These are common and reliable components. You can use them in your projects with confidence. The diodes are packaged in an anti-static bag with clear markings. This makes it easy to store and identify the diodes. It also helps prevent damage to the components. This kit is ideal for product development, student experiments, and maintenance. It's also suitable for production purposes. It's a versatile kit for electronics enthusiasts. The components are lead-free and RoHS compliant. This ensures they meet environmental standards. You can use it knowing it's safe and responsible. What we like. This kit provides an assortment of diodes, making it suitable for various applications. It's packaged in an anti-static bag for easy storage and is RoHS compliant. If you need a versatile kit for product development or experiments, you should consider this one. What people say. The diodes arrived quickly and were exactly as described. They worked perfectly for my project. Great product, fast shipping. Number 2. Fairchild 1N4001 Diode, Standard, 1A, 50V, 5 pieces. This is the Fairchild 1N4001 Diode. It's a standard diode with a 1A current rating and a 50V voltage rating. This is a reliable component for various electronic applications. The 1N4001 diode is known for its standard characteristics and dependability. It's designed to handle a 1 ampere current, making it suitable for many circuits. This is a great choice for your project. This diode is commonly used in power supplies, adapters, and other general-purpose applications. It's a versatile component that can be used in a wide range of electronic devices. It is a must-have for any electronics enthusiast. The Fairchild 1N4001 is built for consistent performance. It's designed to withstand a 50V reverse voltage, ensuring it can handle the demands of your circuits. You can count on it. You will receive 5 pieces of the Fairchild 1N4001 diode. This is a convenient pack to get you started on your project. Get yours today. What we like. This is a standard 1N4001 diode from a reputable brand. Its compact size makes it easy to integrate into your circuits. If you need a reliable, single-value diode for your projects, you should consider it. What people say. The diodes arrived quickly and were exactly as described. They worked perfectly for my project. Great product, exactly what I needed. Number 1. 100 PCS 1N4001 Rectifier Diode. This is a pack of 100 1N4001 rectifier diodes. They are essential components for various electronic circuits, ensuring efficient current flow. The diode can handle a forward current of 1 ampere. This means it can safely manage a moderate flow of electricity, making it suitable for many applications. It has a maximum repetitive peak reverse voltage of 50 volts. This indicates the maximum voltage it can withstand in the reverse direction without breaking down. The diode features low reverse leakage, which ensures minimal current leakage when reverse biased. This enhances the efficiency and reliability of the circuit. It also has high forward surge current capability. This means it can handle brief surges of current without damage, providing protection in demanding situations. The diode is designed for high-temperature soldering. This ensures a strong and reliable connection to the circuit board, even under heat. This is a rectifier diode, designed to convert alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. It is a fundamental component in power supplies and other electronic devices. What we like. This diode offers high surge current capability and low reverse leakage, ensuring durability. It also features high-temperature soldering capabilities. If you are looking for a robust diode for your projects, you should consider it. What people say. The diodes arrived quickly and were exactly as described. They worked perfectly for my project. These diodes are a great value and work as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.